Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. In this video, I'll explain about the introductions of data communications and networks, the tasks of data communication, and the basic model of data communication networks, and also about the LAN, WAN, and MAN. As we know, what is data? Data is nothing but collection of information, and communication is exchange of information between one terminal to another terminal. So what is data communication means in network is, data communication refers to the transmission of the digital data between two or more computers and a computer network to exchange some data. What are the trends in data communication is, there are three different forces. The first one is traffic growth at a high rate, development of new services, and advances in technology. So to provide effective and efficient data, the three trends must be very, very important. Okay, so what are the requirements in these trends is, we need high-speed LANs, we need wide area network, and some digital equipments. So what is a communication model? To exchange some information between two parties, we need a communication model. So the first box is this source. This source generates data to be transmitted. This transmitter converts data into transmittable signals. And what is the third one? It is the transmission system, which carries data from source to destination. The fourth one is receiver, which converts received signal into data. The last one is the destination, that is the final one, that is the reaching place. It takes all the incoming data. So this is the general block diagram. The below diagram represents the example as for a public telephone network, in which the workstation is there. From the workstation, any queries can be answered through a modem, that is the transmitter. The source is a workstation. The transmission system is nothing but the public telephone network, and the receiver side is the receiver end also as a modem, and the server, that is the destination place. So from the server we are getting the information. So this is how the communication model works. So there are some communication tasks which deals with the performance of a communication system. The first one is transmission system utilization, which needs to make the efficient use of transmission facilities, which is shared among a number of communicating devices. The second phase is interface, where a device must communicate with the transmission system. The third one is signal generation. Once an interface is established, this signal generation is required for communication. The next one is synchronization. The transmitter and the receiver must synchronize when a signal begins to arrive and when it ends. So there is a synchronization. The audio and the video must synchronize. Okay. So we have seen an example. For example, in some television channels, we can see the audio will be coming first and the video will come later. So that is the synchronize. It is not being synchronized. Both video and audio should go together. That is what is synchronization. Routing is a source system which indicates the identity of the intended destination, and it can choose a specific route through this network. That is what is routing. This data communication model is as modeled as follows. The user keys in message M, it comprises the bits G buffered in source PC memory. The input data is transferred to input-output device, that is the transmitter, as sequence of bits G of t using voltage shifts. This transmitter then converts these into the analog signals, which is indicated as S of t, for transmission media being used. This transmitting media signal may be impaired, so received signal R of t may differ from S of t. So the receiver again decodes the signal, recovering G dash of t as estimated of original G of t, which is buffered in the destination PC memory as bits G being the received message M dash. Networks are distinguished based on their geographical span. A network can be as small as distance between your mobile phone and its Bluetooth headphone, and as large as the internet itself, covering the whole geographical world itself. So there are three types of networks we have. The first one is local area network, in which a computer network will be connected inside a building and under single administrative system. This is called as local area network, and it is a powerful useful way of sharing the resources between the end users. Maybe, for example, the resources such as the printers, file servers, scanners and internet, it is easily shareable among the computers. LAN uses either Ethernet or token ring technology. Okay, LAN can be a wired, wireless, or in both forms at once. The second type is metropolitan area network, which generally expands through a city, such as a cable TV network. Metro Ethernet is a service which is provided by internet service providers. It has a high capacity and high speed fiber optics. MAN works, that is metropolitan area network, works in between the local area network and wide area network. The third type is wide area network, which covers, as the name says, it covers a wide area which may span across provinces and even a whole country. These telecommunication networks are wide area network which connects to the MANs and LANs. It is a very high speed backbone equipped well, and it is an advanced technology which has asynchronous transfer mode, that is ATM, frame relay and synchronous optical network. WAN may be managed by multiple administrations. Thank you for watching this video.